To find nav area, so go to ADP volume 1345 digital radio signals, then go here at this icon, nav area meta-area. Then if you can see, all this one has nav area, so just click right, this right click, then go nav area safety net. Then so this one is nav area 7, so this is the coverage of nav area 7. You see, that's the coverage. Then the other way, you can go to the reference and go to maritime safety information, then go to nav areas. Then this one you can copy or print for your reference, and the other one you can go to Windows, then list of nav area, and after that one you can see like this one. Then if you will click, for example this one, nav area 2, so you see there already. If you can click nav area 3, it's there. So that's the way how to find the nav area in this ADP. So that's it. Thank you.